How to hide Instagram music sticker. If any day any of you are using Instagram on a mobile device and you want to share a story but you do not want to put the Instagram music sticker out there, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Instagram on a mobile device. In order to do so, you have to tap on Instagram on a mobile device. After you tap on that, your Instagram will be launched. After that, you have to scroll upwards and go to the plus icon on the top side, that is your story option. And after you tap on the your story option, you have the option of the camera, drafts, photos and videos. If you like to put any of the photos and put any of the music there, you have to go to the option of the photos and you have to pick up a picture that you want to post, and you can also put a story music out there. Now put it, you have to go to the option of the sticker out on the upside, and after that tap on the sticker option out there, and you can see the option of the music on the right side. You have to tap on the option of the music. After you find the option of the music, you can see the option of the search music, and in the search music you can search any of the music that you want to put and any of the music that you like. And after you find the very music, you have to tap on the very music there. After you tap on the very music, you can see an interface like this. Now you have the options of keeping the music only, or you can also put the lyrics or the text out there in the various functions. You can also put the very stickers out there, but you have to go to the option of the music only on the first side. And after you tap on the option of the music only, no any Instagram music sticker will be shown there. And you can share this very story to your friends, your family and your relatives and the very people who follow you on Instagram. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, do subscribe our channel.